Well, hey there, people. Well, it's that time of year again. It's time to think about gardening. This year I have to start over from scratch. My neighbors on this side, they're going to put up a fence. So last fall I ripped out my whole garden, and this year I got to start over. So I'm going to make some planter boxes. See what happens. And this is where my garden used to be. So he's going to be putting up a fence from a little past that post all the way down to that post there. I'm not going to lose that much yard, but I am going to lose my raspberries. Well, that's their raspberries, but I'm going to miss them. I'm going to try to replant some somewhere else. Through the winter, look, it grew. I'm growing dishwashers. So that spot up there was not the ideal location for a garden. It was too much shade. So what I think I'm going to do, or what I'm going to do, is I'm going to build two planters on either side. So 4 foot wide by 4 foot long, I think. Maybe a foot and a half deep. Not quite sure yet. I'm just going to use recycled materials. Shelly was looking at Canadian Tire. She was going to buy a 4x4 raised garden bed, and they're $84 each. Screw that noise. I'll make a better one for free. I might just have to get screws though. Not sure what I have. So I was thinking something like that. Even at the end of my ramp, it should be okay. And I'll do the same on the other side. So I decided to go 4x4. I think that's perfect size. 4x4 on that side. But we're gonna raise it. Well, that's pretty much the frame of it. Do the same on this side, then I'll box it in somehow. Maybe that stuff. We'll see. That's it for me for today. Big job, boy. Big job. Well, so far all the wood I've used was from my dog's ramp when he got his knee surgery. Well, I'm just going to box it in with this old plywood here. Then I'll paint it. Yeah. Well, I'm pretty much done the first one. Still got to pull that grass out and put the weed barrier in and paint it. But for painting, I'll wait till this one's done. So just like that, we saved $84 plus taxes. Would have been 168. A little disrespectful. Just a little bit. Kitty? Always on a hunt. You're still smiling. Hey, we just had a cuddle. We just cuddled. It's my boy. It's my girl. That's my boy. You want more cuddling? This guy is too funny. I swear, the older he gets, the more human he gets. The more personality he has. I don't know. Just want to cuddle. I just want to touch you. I gave him a bath last night. Oh, you like the camera today. Look at you. Is it because you're clean? Is it because you're clean? Oh yeah. You're a clean boy. Just look at this guy. Does he look happy? Do you look happy? You look happy. Your ears all folded out. I think Cash might be broken. I don't know. Buddy. 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 Oh yeah, he's trying to high five me. It's a high five time. It's a Well, there we go. Time for paint. It's a one-beer job. Well, here's where I am so far. So it wasn't free after all. I had to buy a can of stain. On sale for $15, I think. The cash man. Well, there we go. I got it all painted. What I think I'm going to do is I bought this lattice last year for our peas and our beans. I'm thinking of cutting it in half and putting half on this side and half on the other side, because that's 4 foot and that's 4 foot and that's 8 foot. So I can plant my beans and my peas against the shed, the shack. Something like that. Cut that in half, put the other piece on the other side. Boom! I just heard an owl. Yeah, I know, I need siding, but what can you do when you live in a shoe? Well, anyway, I got the lattice up. Doesn't look too bad. So now I just gotta add the earth, and I'm starting the garden tonight inside. I'm gonna plant some seeds, so. Well, Shelly did some planting today. I'm gonna do more. Yeah, I'm gonna need another garden. That's not enough. I'm gonna make another box somewhere else. Well, Shelly picked up some earth. She only got 10 bags. It should be good for one, maybe. Well, I had some leftover weed matting or whatever you want to call it. So I'm gonna throw that in there. Then I'll throw the earth on top. What's going on in there, JJ? Going for a ride, buddy? This project's getting expensive now. She picked up 10 bags at $2 a bag. Gonna break the bank. Well, I got my weed matting down, or anti-weed, whatever you want to call it. Let's see how many bags it takes to fill this one. So I decided to use the whole roll. It's like 3 layers thick. Check it out, my garden's already growing. Oh, it's sprouted. Well, that's 9 bags. 25 liters a bag. Probably use another 2 bags in this one. JJ. JJ was just giving her a bath. Well, this is getting right out of hand, Jesus. This garden's costing way too much money. Shelly picked up another 20 bags. That should do it, eh, chum? Poor truck. Everybody likes to go for rides. Where's JJ? Is there room for JJ in here? Wow, you guys. Well, there we go. Both boxes are full. Now we're just waiting on the seeds to sprout and probably have everything planted May long weekend. Oh no, what happened? Holy, that's not cool. Go away. That's snow. Snow rain. We call that almost hail. Look at it. Alright, it's a good thing we didn't plant these yet. Already they're starting to grow. Looking good. We got some radishes, some corn. first time. We're not going to put that in the backyard. Shelly has a plan for that. We'll fill you in later, I guess. Yeah, all kinds of stuff growing everywhere. Every time I look, they seem to be growing. Like just an hour ago, that thing was like just down against the earth. Fast. Well, right on, people. Thanks a lot for watching. I really do appreciate it. I do have to apologize about the lack of content. I haven't been doing videos lately. It's a little story. I'll fill you guys in at another time. I don't want to bore you right now. But anyway, I do appreciate you guys watching. Big cheers. And we'll talk to you guys later. See what I mean? Just crazy. Ah, the carrots have started to. Everything started a little bit. There's nothing in these ones here.